addressing the issue of using parallel single conductors as a single feed is supplied to a given load and preventing heating effects on metal sheets surrounding the cable entry. The question is, can a polyvinyl chloride or PVC gland avoid heating effects on the metal sheets, other than using an aluminum plate or providing a slot or slit in between the cable entry? While a PVC gland can help, it might not be a complete solution, especially with high currents. Here's why. Using a PVC gland offers some advantages. First, it provides electrical insulation between the cable and the metal sheet. Second, it protects the cable from moisture and dust. Third, it reduces the risk of arcing between the cable and the metal sheet. However, there are limitations. 1. PVC glands have a temperature rating limit. They may not be suitable for high current applications. 2. PVC glands don't significantly conduct heat away from the cable. Heat may still accumulate near the metal sheet. Therefore, consider these alternative solutions in addition to, or instead of, the PVC gland. 1. Using an aluminum plate or creating a slot or slit in the metal sheet. This creates a path for heat dissipation away from the cable. Aluminum conducts heat well, transferring it away from the cable and into the environment. 2. Conduit. Enclosing the cables in a conduit adds insulation and protects them from the metal sheet. Conduits made of thermally conductive materials, like metal, can further dissipate heat. 3. Thermal paste. Applying thermal paste between the cable and the metal sheet can improve heat transfer, reducing the metal sheet's temperature. 4. Heat sink. Attaching a heat sink to the metal sheet increases the surface area for heat dissipation, lowering the temperature around the cable. 5. Forced air cooling. Using a fan or blower to circulate air around the cable and metal sheet dissipates heat. For the best outcome, combine multiple solutions. Use PVC glands for electrical insulation and protection. Install an aluminum plate or slot or slit for heat dissipation. For high current applications, consider a heat sink or forced air cooling.